Welcome to today's video, where we dive into a common problem that many programmers face when dealing with C declarations. The problem arises when interpreting declarations like int asterisk name4, leading to confusion about the resulting type. How can we accurately determine the type specified by such declarations? Let's break it down step by step to unravel this puzzling problem. In the solution provided, we learn that the interpretation of int asterisk name4 requires us to follow the C grammar rules strictly. The declaration is divided into two parts: the pointer declarator asterisk name and the array declarator for. According to C 17.6.7.6.1, the pointer declarator takes precedence in determining the type. Hence, int name4 is the derived declarator type list, resulting in an array of pointer to int. Expanding on the solution, further examination of C 17.6.7.6.2 reveals that the type specified for name in int name4 is simply array of int. By combining this with the previous deduction, we solidify the understanding that int asterisk name4 declares an object of type array of pointer to int. The C grammar intricacies can indeed lead to unexpected results, but with careful analysis, we can decipher the correct type specified by complex declarations. In summary, unraveling C declarations can be a challenging yet rewarding task. By following the defined C grammar rules and dissecting each element with precision, we can accurately determine the type specified by seemingly perplexing declarations. I hope this video has shed light on this common issue and empowered you to tackle similar problems with confidence. Remember to subscribe for more programming insights. Like if you found this video helpful, and comment below with your favorite programming puzzle. Happy coding, and until next time.